on this is show jump. Get him a boot jump. They got the moose. Oh, they got that good handcuff. They got him handcuffed.
Connecticut Raw Content, Jet Black, we are the people. Police run up in Mobile gas station. Something's up, y'all. Tune in, tap in. They got the guy handcuffed. I don't know for what. If they found anything or anything like that, y'all. But they got them handcuffed. I think it's 2 people in the car. And sight bike going by. And sight bike going by. Hartford, Connecticut emergencies going by. That's right, y'all. Tap in, hit that like button. Connecticut Raw Content. Jet Black, we are the people. CT Blogs. We got the truck guy faking like he a truck. Police rushed him. It's getting hectic out here, y'all. The police cop behind them. The detectives got that truck right there. Tap in, hit that like button, y'all. Subscribe to the channel. Connecticut Raw Content. Hold on, I'm kind of lift the camera up a little bit because we got kids walking by, so I don't want to catch the kids. Sorry about that, y'all. Let them kids go by. Because them kids don't need to be in that video. They got the girl handcuffed too. They got the lady. Sorry about that, y'all. What was it about that? Police raid. Police raid gas station. Got 2 people handcuffed. Connecticut Raw Content, hit that like button. Jet Black, we are the people. We're on Route 44 at Mobile gas station. I don't know what the cops doing, but they rushed them people, took them out the car. I don't know if it's a traffic violation. I don't know if it's anything like that, but it don't look like they found any weapons or anything like that. So I guess I want to say they just got them handcuffed just for the search and things like that. Trying to get this pole out of y'all way, y'all. Police on Route 44 at the Mobile gas station. And I'm out, y'all.